Hey everyone, thanks for joining me on our YouTube channel, Flippin' Hippos. If you're new here or you haven't already, please consider subscribing and helping us feed a hungry hippo. And don't forget to hit the thumbs up as you're watching today. It does help us out a lot. And hey, if you're not in our Facebook group, it is called Flippin' Hippos Reseller Pod. It's a really great group, fun atmosphere, lots of positive people. You can learn and network. Speaking of networking is great in our industry because you can connect with all kinds of people and all kinds of business opportunities. I have a plush haul here that we're going to delve into. If this is part 2, so if you didn't see part 1, you should probably watch that first as I talk about how much plush I got, what I paid for it, and who it came from. Hi, Leslie. But it's because of networking and just being a part of the community that I have this opportunity to get these plush. We're going to jump right on in because I'm hoping to get through the rest of the box in this video. But if we hit like the 15-minute mark, I'm going to cut it short and then do a third one, part 3. There's 3 boxes and each box is huge. And I don't like to keep people for very long in my videos unless it's a live show, right? Because then we're here for an hour. Big Bird. This is Play School Baby. And then it has Sesame Street on the other side of the tag. I love stuffed animals made especially for babies or infants. You can use all kinds of great keywords. This is a really good interactive learning toy as well. That's exciting. We have a baby gun, another baby plush specifically for babies. And this one has soft eyes, which you can always use. If you have room in your title, you can always put soft eyes, lovey, baby, infant, all kinds of great keywords for these. This is really cute too. This is an Easter, obviously, spring chicken. Very cute. I see a giraffe. This is a Scentsy Buddy. Oh my goodness, there was a frog in the last one. Now I have a pink giraffe. This is cute. The Scentsy Buddies are great, guys. People that like the Scentsy Buddies will specifically seek them out. So always grab those when you find those. This is a Build-A-Bear workshop. Little chicken. I would probably use Easter and spring for him as well. Is he from something that I don't know? If anybody knows that something I don't know, let me know. Look, a Barney! I just sold the Barney for like $20 recently. Enough, maybe a couple weeks ago. I like Barney. I don't like Barney, but I like flipping his plush. Oh, this is so cute. Oh my goodness. I want to be his friend. Look at him. Look at his face. He's a Build-A-Bear. He is a unique white Bengal tiger, so this is something I would start around 20 or 25. He's really big and too and soft. He wants to be my friend. He wants to be my friend. All right. Oh, look, 2 of these. I had a smaller one of her. Somebody must have gotten rid of their whole collection of Paw Patrol, and Leslie found them all at the bins because there was the Chase police dog in the first video. There's the fire marshal. I had another smaller one of the girl. Now there's 2 girls. I love Paw Patrol though. I'm not complaining. Paw Patrol does really well for me. It sells very quickly. Good sell-through rate, depending on your character, is how much they're going to comp at. But they all do pretty good. This one looks like a bank. It is. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. You put money in his head. You put money in his head. He's cute. Santa Claus. That bird is still singing. I don't know if you can hear it. This is like so this is not an official Puff-A-Lump, so you can't use the word Puff-A-Lump, or you're going to get yourself in trouble on eBay. But it is like that parachute nylon Puff-A-Lump material. That bird is still singing to me. Oh, Build-A-Bear. He's super cute. So this is an example of a plain bear. I would start around 18. We talked about Build-A-Bear already in the other video. This is a Fiesta. I like Fiesta. It's a good bread and butter brand. I guess this is the T-Rex. T-Rex has got little arms. I'm so sorry you got little arms. The bird is still singing to me. Oh, a lovey! So if you're not familiar with loveys, you can use the term lovey as a keyword on any plush that's meant for infants or babies. L-O-V-E-Y. But an actual true lovey is a security blanket with a plush in the middle. And they can be this small. These are usually about 12 by 12. And they can be very, very big. I have sold some full-size ones meant for like a crib or a bed. They can get really, really big. They can be small. Any brand, always grab them up. Any brand. These have a good sell-through rate and they do really, really well. This is something I may have to give to Keith's grandfather. It is a puppet. And I believe this is Dopey. Is that Dopey? That bird is going to drive me nuts. He's still singing. Dopey. Anyway, Keith's grandfather likes Snow White and the Seven Dwarfs, and he collects the dwarfs. So I'll probably give that to him for his collection. This is vintage AF. I almost said a swear. Oh my gosh, this is vintage. I hope he can go through the wash and be okay. He's going to need a bath. He's old. Old. I mean, even his tush tag is completely faded. That was Snoopy, by the way. I didn't know. Then we have a Ann Geddes. So she does all those famous baby pictures. I can't get the tag to show to you. Boop. This is a rabbit with a hard doll face. Super cute. Super cute for Easter. I'm a crocodile. Ah. He is... I can't tell on the tag. He's got writing on his tag, which is whatever. He's a crocodile. He's going to eat us. He's going to eat everybody else. Oh, look at this cute lamb. Look at the cute lamb. Hi, I'm a cute lamb. I'm a puppet. Hi. Does that look like Lamb Chop? It doesn't have tags, so I would be not using the term Lamb Chop because I don't want to get sued or asked to take my listing down or suspended or in trouble with eBay. I have another Scentsy buddy here. This one's small and cute. He's like a little keychain. We've got Big Bird, Kohl's Cares. I like Kohl's Cares and I cannot lie. They make cute plushie like this Big Bird guy. If you've never seen me open plush before, not sorry. If you have, hi, you've seen it all before. Monkey. Look at this. I love plushies with tufts of hair. Those tufts of hair. You guys, those tufts of hair. We got, another Paw Patrol. She hit the Paw Patrol bingo jackpot. Look at this cute Build-A-Bear. He's got all kind of spots and dots and shiny ears. So this one's a little more special. I'll look it up in case it is like a specific like confetti or cake bear, just to be sure. But I'd start this at 20, and I don't care what the comps say. Build-A-Bear is Build-A-Bear, and it should not be going for very little because it's a specialty plush. We have an Easter Bunny puppet. She also hit the jackpot on the puppets, it looks like. This is a mouse. He's kind of got some damage, so I might just like redonate him. But he's cute. I'm a mouse. Hi. I'm a cute mouse. I love rodents. Did you know that about me? I'm weird. Oh my goodness. What a cute, sparkly Easter bunny with a little heart nose. Oh my goodness. And it had a necklace on. Shake it up. I'm going to have to comp this one and look it up. Shake it up. Shake. Oh, maybe you want to look at her face. Shake it up. Boop, boop, boop. Doo, doo, doo. And a penguin puppet with a Velcro piece that's sticking on everything. We got, oh, this is the tramp. So there was another dog in the first video. I said reminded me of the tramp. But this is the tramp. Isn't he cute? Lady and the tramp are so cute. This looks like a Holly Hobby. It is! The original Holly Hobby. Boy, did I age myself when I pulled her out and said, it looks like a Holly Hobby. Got a pound puppy, a teeny one. These are good to have. He doesn't have his tags, but I mean, clearly he's a pound puppy. The big ones, if you guys are my age and remember the big ones, you can get like a lot of money for the big ones. But always grab even the little ones if you find them. Scentsy Buddy, another one. Is this a llama or a sheep? I think it's a llama. What do you guys think? Is that a llama? Let me know. Am I a llama? I think so. Look at the ears and the tail. It's really cute. It's got like a little wool. This scarf is, oh my goodness. It's the scarf for me. He's cute. And then we have a little duck. She's so cute. Look at her. And then we have Scotty. Is this a Scotty Terrier, guys? This is a Douglas Cuddle Toy. Be on the lookout for this brand and always grab it when you find it. That is what the tag looks like, and you always want to grab Douglas Cuddle Toy. Some of them go for a very lot of money. This is a Wild Republic. He's got a little mark. We'll clean that off. Oh, he's got a little mark on his mouth, too. That's why we have Awesome. You guys use Awesome? You should be using Awesome. Oh, my goodness. I'm keeping this for myself. No ifs, ands, or buts about it. This is mine. I have a little area downstairs that is all Harry Potter and Hocus Pocus. And she's going to go there. Goodbye, cruel world. Oh my gosh, I love that movie. Okay, I'm keeping her. Then we have a Build-A-Bear with blue throughout. So we had a pink one earlier. Now we have this blue one. Cute, cute, cute. This looks like, oh, it's a My Little Pony, but doesn't it look like that, what's that pony that sits on the toilet and poops? You know what I'm talking about? I hope you know what I'm talking about so I don't sound crazy. She's going to need some work. She's going to need a bath. Then we have a Squishmallow. I can tell just by the way it feels. If you've never felt the Squishmallow, you're missing out on something great in life. And if you have, you know what I'm talking about. As soon as you pick one up or touch it, you can tell they're really super velvety, soft, and just squishy. I love Squishmallows. I think this is a squid. Possibly. All right, we are nearing the mark where I'm going to cut this off. So we will be doing a third video of this box. Another Scentsy Buddy. Yay. This one's a fox. What does the fox say? A really super cute Build-A-Bear with hearts on them. Valentine's Day plush. All right, guys, I will see you in the next and final unboxing video for this box. This is just box 1 of 3. So I did get a really good amount of plush. Go be productive. Go make some money. Thanks for watching. Y'all are the best. Bye.